Welcome back to the Universal Things YouTube channel. Imagine a world where the air we take for granted suddenly disappears. Oxygen, the invisible thread sustaining every heartbeat, vanishes and life itself teeters on the edge of extinction. Within seconds, chaos erupts across the globe. Humans clutch their throats, stumbling in panic. Birds plummet from the sky. Fish writhe in oxygen-depleted water. And forests fall eerily silent. The natural order collapses as survival instincts take over in an invisible, suffocating crisis. Fire, humanity's oldest ally, dies instantly. Candles gutter, stoves fail, engines stall, cities plunge into darkness, and the comforting glow of human civilization vanishes. Without oxygen, the spark of life in every flame ceases, leaving only cold, silent streets filled with fear and despair. Air travel becomes a nightmare. Jet engines fail mid-flight, and thousands of planes crash in a storm of metal and fire. Skies once alive with motion turn into chaos. Humanity watches helplessly as the infrastructure that once connected us falls from the heavens in terrifying freefall. Oceans react violently to the absence of oxygen. Water molecules break down, releasing hydrogen gas and steam. Marine life dies instantly. Waves hiss and bubble, and the seas, once full of life, turn into boiling, hostile landscapes. Humanity faces the devastating consequences of losing a single, invisible element. Forests collapse in minutes. Trees suffocate, leaves crisp and blacken, and animals panic desperately before succumbing. Vibrant green landscapes vanish, replaced by gray wastelands. Nature, stripped of its lifeblood, becomes alien, cruel, and merciless in a matter of moments. Human infrastructure falters. Skyscrapers, bridges, and roads weaken as oxygen-bound materials fail. Cars stall, generators die, hospitals go dark. Civilization, built on the invisible thread of oxygen, collapses under its weight, leaving humanity exposed and vulnerable to the elements. The atmosphere itself becomes hostile. Hurricanes intensify, tornadoes rage unpredictably, and lightning storms explode across cities and countryside alike. The sky is no longer safe. Wind and fire mix with chaos. Earth reacts violently to the absence of the gas that balances life, creating unstoppable disasters. Survivors are few, isolated, and desperate. Human ingenuity fails against the invisible enemy. Lungs burn, hearts race, and every breath becomes a struggle. Minds teeter on the edge of panic and despair, while nature itself turns against them in a relentless, silent, and suffocating assault. The planet becomes a silent, collapsing world. Humanity, if remembered at all, leaves only traces in fossils. Oxygen's absence is absolute. If you found this terrifying and fascinating, hit like, share, and subscribe to Universal Things for more mind-bending what-if stories.